What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got something special today, the Note 20 Ultra 5G. I'm hoping it's special. A full review is coming soon, but for this video we're just going to do a quick unboxing. Alright, so here is the infamous box. Of course you got the N20, the S Pen's logo there, and I have the Mystic White. So let's cut this tape off and jump right into the box. Tape's off and let's go. Drum roll please. Bam! Whew, there it is. $1,300. So just a quick little backstory. Samsung had some really good deals when you upgrade and train in your phone. I actually have the Note 9 still, so I'm actually going to be trading this in for this guy. So this is the only reason why I'm buying this phone, is because I'm trading in this phone and getting such a huge credit for this phone. I'm going to be straight up, I think it's super expensive, but you know what? It's 2020. Let's just go for it. All right, before we get to the phone, let's see here. This is probably the instructions. Yeah, looks like, oh, there's your SIM card tool. Let's see what they put in here. Yeah, here's all your instructions and your terms and conditions and yada yada yada. So you can't sue Samsung if something happens. All right, let's. Ooh, baby. Look at this beauty. I'm a big fan of white and black and white and silver. I think it looks, I prefer this way over the other color, which was that bronze. I mean, don't get me wrong, the bronze looked really good, but yeah, I don't know, I'm a huge fan. Anyway, let's take off this. Ooh, yeah, we don't need that. And this other little plastic piece. Ooh wee. Holy camera bump, Batman. That camera bump is quite noticeable, but they're just going with it. I mean, it doesn't feel any heavier than any other device, so, but it is massive. This is a huge phone. I mean, here you got that 6.9 inch quad HD display. Of course, you got the AMOLED, and this is 120 Hertz. So I cannot wait to turn this baby on. So we'll turn that on in a second. Actually, let's just do that right now while this is, give it a second. And let's keep going here in the box. Like a little SIM, oh, they actually ship you with a SIM card. They do include a USB charger. This is a fast charging. And here you have your cable for charging. First, that's USB-C, and that's it. I guess so. No headphones, no tips. Oh wow, okay. I think that's it. There's no tips for the S Pen, no headphones. But I did hear that if you reach out to Samsung, they will ship you USB-C headphones. So I might try to do that because I do like headphones to plug in. I haven't jumped on the wireless train yet, but eventually I will. But for now, I do like the corded ones. All right, so let's jump back to the device here. I'm also going to show you a comparison here of the Note 9. So here is it side by side. It is... yeah, you can definitely see there is a significant difference in size as far as the width. A little bit, not too much. And then let's see the height. Yeah, so let's line this up. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger. I mean, nothing too crazy, but it is a small step up, as you can see here. Here is them on side by side in the back. Okay, so let's just take a quick look on the body here. So here on the top, looks like that's going to be a mic, and then here's your SIM and micro SD card slot. and nothing on the left hand side. And then of course here's that S Pen. Small little guy. Can't wait to test this out. And then here is your USB-C charging port. Then of course this is gonna be a speaker. And on the right hand side here, you have your volume up, volume down, and then here is the power button. All right, so let me just get signed in here real quick so at least we can see this screen with some color. All right, so here it is. I didn't do anything special. I just kind of skipped all the prompts, but the screen is absolutely beautiful. I think we all know Samsung does a really good job on their screens, but also want to show you I did actually get a case with the phone. So this is the Cavrat. Don't quote me on that. I might be saying it wrong. Maybe it's Cavdrat. Anyway, let's slap this on and see what it looks like. All right, so I slapped on this case and here it is. It has this fabric to it. I actually do like this fabric. This is the first time I'm owning this type of case, but I think it does give it a little bit of grip than the other types. All right, so that's the unboxing of the Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. So I'm gonna spend some time with it. I'm gonna do a full review on it, the camera, the battery, the software, you name it. So definitely stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys later.